Well, good evening, Tom. Rusty Tin Man, Radio Man, California West Side, standing by.
Hi, Brad. Good evening time to you. 03 Club, 0 Dirty Sound, 51.5 neighbors. Just want to wave a hand there, buddy. 1.5 in Alabama.
Hey, Tin Man, where'd you go? Hey, Tin Man, where'd you go? Radio Man, coast of California, we're looking break, break, break. Well, it definitely sounded good around California there, Tin Man. I heard you calling Copperhead down there about 65 miles south of me around Motormouth Mall. No doubt about it. Hey, take care out there in Copperhead. Sounded good. Or, I'm sorry, Tin Man. Sounded good out there, my friend. Radio Man, West Side, back out. I'm doing real good there, Tin Man. Doing real good, man. I just got off work, eating a Subway sandwich, and talking to you. Hey, Tin Man, always sounded good around California, man. And yeah, I gotta be watch out for that Copperhead. He has a 5-element copper beam out back of his house. I gotta watch out for that Copperhead, no doubt about it. Take care, Tin Man, Radio Man, your friend around California, back out.
Yes, sir, Radio Man. You better hope he don't eat any garlic, because he's down there looking over his shoulder, that's for sure. Radio Man, 51.5 in Alabama. Speak out there. The old Tin Man back on his side.
All right there, Tin Man. You take care, man. 51.5, 51.5. I hear you out there, man. Sounded good around California, too. 515 and Tin Man, Radio Man, coast of California with the wave, and I'm back out.
Yes, sir. Bob, Radio Man. Please go around. Take care, Radio Man. 51.5 in Alabama. I give away, Copperhead. You have a good one out there, my friend. 73's to you. Sounding good down here like always. Doorknob. Old doorknob up there. Music City, USA in the woods. I'm gone.
Take care out there, 51.5. I hear Doorknob out there plugging my ears. Oh, Doorknob has a mall around California about this 1036. Take care, 51.5, Tin Man, and Doorknob, Radio Man, coast of California, Mud Duck, and I'm back out.
I did one there, Radio Man. I heard you out there again, no doubt about it. It got a little rough that time, but I heard you out there, no doubt. It sounded like about 4 or 5 of them keyed up, making it hard on my separator that time. You have a good one, Radio Man. Doorknob, Music City in the woods. I'm gone.
Hey, Doorknob, I'm jumping up and down on my trampoline telling you, tune me in, tune me in. Hey, Doorknob, tune me in. Hey, take care, Doorknob. Use your separator and tune me in. Take care, Doorknob, Radio Man, West Side, Mud Duck, and I'm back out.
Hey, Radio Man, you wasn't mud ducking that time around. There was some choir singers in there, but it was all you that time. I just trying to make it hard on my separator. I need a better separator is what I need. But I got it on when you said it all that time. Have a good one, my friend. Doorknob gone.
Tell them background singers I ain't paying them. Hey, Doorknob, tell them background singers I can't pay them. I don't have enough money to pay them. Take care, Doorknob, Radio Man, California West Side, and I'm broke, and I'm back out.
Hello to you, Radio Man. Radio Man 316 on the East Coast. Radio Man 316 East Coast. We saw you.
316, right back, man. Hey, 316, you made it on this video gate. Hey, 316, you made it on this video gate, but it's rough and tough out there, no doubt about it. My friend, 316, East Coast, Radio Man, California, Mud Duck Station, right back.
Yeah. How about it, Radio Man? Hey, Radio Man. How about it, Radio Man? Radio Man. Hey, Radio Man.
128, you had my ears that time. Hey, 128, had my ears that time. Hello, 128. Hello, 316. Take care, Radio Man, West Side, letting you know, and I'm back out.
Oh, man. I heard a bunch of you out there coming back at me. I did hear 2 or 3 of you coming back to the doorknob, but I just ain't gonna be able to pull it out. There's too many of them middle fans. That makes fun of my situation. Somebody's gonna swing my radio out for me to hear. That's all there is to it. I just need a better separator. Oh, doorknob. Gonna step wide to the side. Doorknob, Music City, reading the mail.
Yeah, I still hear you out there, 128. Hey, Doorknob, I'll step out of your way, man. I know I can't be helping that situation, so I'm going to step wide to the side. Take care, Doorknob, once again. Hey, 128, take care, my friend. Radio Man, stepping wide to the side, letting Doorknob have his ears back, and I'm back out. Bye-bye.
Real choice. Just kind of played up my radio one time around. Hey, 149, 70, please out there. Appreciate that bum down. You have a good evening out there. Doorknob, Music City, go. Man, 128, just glad to know somebody can hear this little bitty old radio station.
9S units there, 128. 9S units on the video gate. A 128, Radio Man, 1351. A 128, Radio Man, 1351 on YouTube. Check it out. 128, Doorknob. Take care, my friend. Radio Man, West Side, back out.
That's what I'm talking about, Radio Man. I don't know what you done, man. You must have upped the ante a little bit. Either that or Mother Nature just swung by your house. You came up in there, you popped up in there like Jack in the Box, no doubt about it. Have a good one, my friend. I'll catch you later. Old Doorknob, Music City, gone.
Hey, Doorknob, I told you, I'm on this trampoline, man. Sometimes I go down, sometimes I come back up. Hey, Doorknob, I'm on my brand new trampoline, waving my hand. Take care, Doorknob. Radio Man, roll this video gate, and I'm rocking on.
Well, hey, I'm going to tell you now, that trampoline's sounding good. That trampoline's sounding good. You're on the upswing, there ain't no doubt about it. You sound a real choice, Radio Man. That's what I'm talking about. I don't need a separator when you do it like that. I got to get out of here. I'm going to take a break for the calls. You have a good one, my friend. Old Doorknob down here in Music City, gone.
All right, there, Doorknob. I hope you check out this video game, man. You'll like it. You're about 15 dB all by yourself over here in California, too. Take care, my friend. I'm back out and reading this mail. Bye-bye.
Skywalkers. It's a Skywalker 3 on the Yankee there, Roger. Yeah, it's a 3-element Yankee. A 3-element Yankee made by Cushcraft there, Roger. It puts enough stuff back into the ground right there to help it take a hold and get going in that clay.
Radio Man, California, West Side, standing by. Break.
Around L.A. Harbor. Old Wagon in the cornfields, Indiana knows it. Bite.
Radio Man, California, West Side, got down.
Here it is, 101 in that diesel car. Hey, 101, I said Wagon wheel in the cornfields, Indiana. Hello, 101 diesel car, Wagon in the corn. Bite.
Hey, Wagon Wheel, can you say Radio Man around California? Hey, Wagon Wheel, can you say Radio Man, California? Hello, Wagon Wheel, tell that diesel car I said hello. Wagon Wheel, Radio Man, West Side, back out.
Cornfields, 2000. real good in that deal.
Blow your nose on the microphone too many times and it might start stinking. Might start sounding like me if you blow your nose on the microphone too much. Hello, braid, braid, braid. Well, I sure do wish I had a big old radio man, California West Side, but yeah.
Let's go get back out of the way. I can't hardly beat that dead key out there. You have a good one out there, Copperhead. The old 10-man back on the side. I'll answer later here.
Hey, 10-man, is Radio Man making it over that dead key? Hey, 10-man, is Radio Man making it over the dead key? Hello, 10-man, Radio Man, one more time, and I'm back out. I'm trying to make it over that dead key there, 10-man. Hey, 10-man, Radio Man's jumping up and down on my trampoline trying to make it over the top. 10-man, Radio Man trying to get over that dead key, and I'm back out. All right, then, 10-man, I appreciate it. No doubt about it, man. I'm sorry, I didn't mean to step on Copperhead. I was just trying to get over the dead key. Take care, my friend. Tell Copperhead I'll wave the hand. 10-man, Radio Man, West Side, back out.
Yes, sir, Radio Man. You said wave a hand at old Copperhead. I'm just a waving. All right, talk to you boys later. The old rusty 10-man's get back out of the way. Bye, Radio Man. Bye, Copperhead. 10-man's gone.
Bye, 10-man. Back out.
I heard you start to come up in there, Mobile. The old dead key got you. Whoever's done it out there. Have a good one. The old 10-man's back to the side. Abomination. Abomination. I just checked and set my 50-foot cord to work, and it's working all right. Yeah, it's working all right. Yeah, thank you. Appreciate it. Wipe out. Hey, George Mobile, wipe out. 50-foot cord.
Sure do wish I had a mobile that sounded good like that. Radio Man, California West Side, back out.
Hey, Bluegill. Hey, Bluegill, old Riverside. Good evening, Bluegill, Runnin Bear Mobile calling. Hey, Bluegill, you tell all I'm on West Side. Runnin Bear Mobile said howdy. Everything going super fine down here. Everything going good. Talk to you on the can, Bluegill, Runnin Bear.
Well, I guess that old Running Bear can't hear Radio Man. This old Running Bear can't hear this old mud duck Radio Man. No doubt about it. Radio Man, West Side, back out. Yeah, Sam Crookenden, man, I hear you out there, but truth be told, you're at the bottom of my meter. Hey, Sam, I hear you out there calling my name, big brother, but you're at the bottom of my needle right about this 1036. Take care, Sam Crookenden. Radio Man, your friend around California, back out.
I'm cooking level 10 for the week. I got you on good now.
Got it all that time there, Sam. Hey, Sam Kirkland. Got it all that time, man. 5S units there. 5S units right there. Bye, Sam. Radio man, the west side. Gonna get my knees to the breeze, and I'm back out.
Radio, take 12 man, I'll put it back in the right floor. Take 12 radio man, Sam, good cruise this morning. How many Tennessee I'll get by?